Welcome to the Arcus help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to edit a system that is currently being used in one of your deployment runs. To do so, head on over to the DR in question and follow the breadcrumb trail from deployment to scenario to system. If your system is in development, you'll see this blue banner at the top of the page. Select Edit Asset, which will take you into the system builder. And here you can alter the system CPU count, memory, or boot disk capacity. You'll also be able to add or remove software assets. And once you've made your changes, save them. You will need to relaunch the deployment run for the changes to take effect. So hit the rerun button and go about the launch process as you normally would. If there is anything of value on the previous deployment run, be sure to save it, because relaunching a deployment run will release the previous run. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please feel free to follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.